Hello, my little mathematicians. Today, I'm going to help you get started on going back and forth between fractions, percents, and decimals. So if we look at VL-823, I'm going to do 5 and 6 with you. Now, I suggest that you try them yourself first. So pause it, try it, and then come back and unpause it and see how you did. Okay, as you unpaused it, you're back with us. When you have a decimal, the trick is that what place value is that number in? Okay, that one is in the what's place, the tenths or the hundredths place, right? So that means that that's your denominator. Okay, the one is in the hundredths place. And then whatever number that is, that's what goes in your numerator. So this is 1, so that's your numerator. And then what place value is the last number here in? It's in the hundredths place. Or some people say, how many numbers are after the decimal? That's how many zeros you have. There you go. Okay, regardless, I saw that 0.01 is 1/100th, and that's literally how you say this is 1/100th. Now, to get it to a percent, well, percent means out of what? Out of 100. Okay, so how many did you get right out of 100? You got 1, so you got a 1%. Okay, this other one, this time we got the fraction. Well, if I know if the denominator is like 10 or 100, I could go to a decimal, right? Let's have it be 100 because then I can go easily to my percent. So let's do that. And how do you go from 20 to 100? What do you need to multiply by? Yeah, that's right, 5. So then do the same thing on top, and 3 times 5 is 15. This is equivalent to this because 15 over 100 reduces to 3/20. I essentially just multiplied by 1 because isn't 5 over 5 just 1? So I wrote an equivalent ratio of 15 over 100 to 3/20. Now that I have a number out of 100, I know what percent it is. That's your percent. It's 15%. And when I have a denominator of 10 or 100, I could jump straight to the decimal. Whatever's on top, that's what's after the decimal. And then however many zeros there are, that's what place value it needs to be in. So it needs to be in the hundredths place, so it needs to be 2 places out. Let's pretend the denominator was like 1,000. Then I would need, you're like, oh, but it's only 0.15. I need 3 numbers. So like I would put a 0 placement holder there so that then the 5 is in the thousands place, 3 numbers out. Okay. But again, the denominator was only 100, so I only need that 5 to be 2 places out. So I'm good. 0.15 is 15/100ths, which is what that's saying. All right, there you go. You got this. Keep doing the other ones.